Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing? You're just one lost soul here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love? Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on to better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun. Have you been let down? Did you hold your ground when you needed to? Oh, the way you smile makes the past worthwhile. Now I feel like I believe in a higher love. Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on to better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me.
What is up, people? Another hot day in England. Guess where we are? Just swimming. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go somewhere, yeah. We'll go to the beach. Yes, was it?
What's your Bluetooth called?
Bluetooth, I don't know, man. Kake khande! This guy, man, every single minute here, this guy comes into my video, yeah, and then he goes, look, remove me from the video.
Tell him to do so. He's
Nah.
a lazy cunt.
Look at this, bro. He looks like he's just come from Miami or something, man.
No,
Yo, he's on Miami Heat, man. Look.
I'm in Miami. I've not come from Miami.
Car's ready.
Show him around.
Just come to our next level parking spot. So what we're gonna do now, yeah, got some tea, grab some tea, and then obviously go have a swim in a lake. Like this, we come into a shop.
Listen, let's go to the beach. Forget that.
On the way, we're gonna spend all we're gonna do on the way. Squirt.
Model.
The other guy's got another gun, he's got another gun. Look, yeah, I bought one, look at that, it made me all wet, man. This guy. Yes.
Is that your grandma?
He about to get wet.
Came to a place, next level place, but obviously like no water, and it started raining for about 2-3 seconds. So now we're gonna go to a new place, go to a beachside or something. I thought this would be a proper place, but obviously mistaken in it. So now what we're gonna do, drive down to another beach. Let's see how it goes. Come. So convenient store to grab some drinks. Warm, very warm outside. Look, this boss stick as well, this guy, man. So whoever doesn't get onto the ocean, we whip him till he gets on. That's about it. One of the laws. So when we went to the first place, only way, it's all for families. You don't want to go there. Now we've come to another place. It's full beach, full sea. Yeah. So we're gonna see what happens here. So look at this guy here. Hey, look, he's come. Look. Yeah. He's looking great. He's pissed off.
Why is he not parking? I don't get it. There's a space there. Oh, no, go back. Let me chat to you, man. If you're not parking, let us park there, cousin.
I hate him, man. You know, I feel especially, man, when I got my gun as well, man. Everyone's trying to act bad with me. Look at this one. I got two. Say hello to my little friend. No jokes, we don't mess about. Yeah. And these like here, man, trying to act bad with us, man. Especially when we are loaded. Oh my God, look at this guy. He's got gym going on here as well. That's how I
What's going on, man? How are you doing? You alright, yeah? Everything good?
He's pumped up now, yeah. Yeah, pumped up. Look at this man. Look at him. Oh,
No,
he's a
I'm
bodybuilder.
trying,
We
I'm
call him. You know,
I'm
we call him
trying
bodyguard. Come had a swim. Obviously shorts. I don't have my shorts. And I forgot my towel in my car. Ooh, ball, mate. Ooh, I'm just too good at football. I don't know why. I think it's just natural talent that I possess in football. It's got a beautiful touch. Look at it. Yeah. Trying to make a goal post. Hey, where's my line gone? Look what he's done, bro. Look, this is my line. Yeah, and this is his done. This one, look. This cause of his man. What can you say? This is the football line I made. Look. This guy, he just rubbed it off. Started doing his own pitch.
Yeah, 1-0. 1-0, cousin. Ah, tata. Iya, Fazil.
What was that? Yes. No chance. That was a goal and a half. Yeah. Sunny day in England, that's what you get to do. To go to the beach, play a bit of football, grab something to eat, go for a swim, and then go home and see a beautiful scenery. Away from work, everyone exercise, yeah? I don't want to say, but I think a lot of people got theories. Then just chill out with their theories. A lot of people got facts, but then they're speaking facts into speaking. And that's the message of this vlog. That's it. Take care, bye-bye. Come out to get something to eat. Guess what? The food is taking so long. How long have you ordered for? And Pepe's fix up. Hey, Pepe's on. If you're watching this video, yeah, tell you.
So message sent all the way to Scotland.
Huh?
From Scotland.
Yeah, I'm gonna come to you, Scotland. Pay food, yeah, inshallah. Oh no, it's not here.
I walked in over literally 5 minutes ago.
Deliveries are better than eating. Now on everybody Uber Eats, man.
Leaving this year. You finish your?
Taking too long, man. Taking too long to eat. Everybody's finished. Everybody's play. Yeah, apart from this guy. He's got the 50-cent hat on as well, man. Taking too long. Hurry up, man. How long you can take?
I take my time.
No, Undertaker hat.
Yes, please, my friend. Not making you